Hi, hello. And so I'm not even gonna like try to refilm the beginning of this video. It's my new gym jacket. I'm wearing it now because I want to. Also, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 3 of August 2019 box week. If you are brand new to my, I was like, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, like that was a pretty good intro, but I felt awkward that it seemed so good, so I wanted to take this little detour to make it awkward. So if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, hello and welcome. And if you are watching this video, then you're like, wow, I like her, click the red subscribe button and join our like little YouTube group fam thingy. And also, if you're watching and you really like it, give it a thumbs up and comment below in the little thing. Did you guys notice my jacket? I wanted to make sure that you noticed it. I don't know why I'm obsessed with these little thumb holes. This is nothing new. This has been like a trend in jackets for years, but because I didn't currently own one, now I wear it all the time. It feels so cool. Like, oh look, I got little thumb spots. I had one, like something like this, like a couple years ago, but like I haven't had one in a couple of years, so now I just wear them all the time. Like this only one. It's my new gym jacket. I'm wearing it now because I want to. Also, we're going to be opening a subscription box. That's actually the purpose of this video, is to open up the Allure Beauty Box this month for the month of August. And what was I going to say about this? Oh, this box is $15 a month. It's one of like a really good one. Like I feel like Allure Beauty has this year like been one of the best boxes in the market. I know I said that about BoxyCharm, but I mean I really honestly like a lot of the boxes I get. Like you guys know I've had boxes in the past I didn't love. This is one I really do like. Also, I just realized I left the fan on in the background of this video. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna turn it off so it's probably really loud and awkward. One second, hold on. So I'm gonna be real, like I'm super lazy right now, so I'm not even gonna like try to refilm the beginning of this video. If it's a train wreck and you can't hear anything for the first like 3 minutes of this video, so be it. Like that's where I'm at in my life right now. I'm just like, is what it is. Like if I messed up, I messed up. Also, we're putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which like this month, like starting out already, is awesome. Like I want to be real with you. Like I really feel like this box is amazing already, and we just started it. It's like only 2 days in. So I've got John Wayne here. This is like full of tangents. Have you noticed this? Like every 2 seconds I'm like, I've got this, I'm doing this. Well, we're doing that. I'm opening the Allure Beauty Box. Oh, it's $15 a month. If you watch this video and you're like, I like this box, I have a code in the box below for you to check it out for yourself. Anyways, so on the top here we have this little magazine. It always has all of the goodies inside that you get in here, why and how you should use them. And then it has like this cool like little neon bag full of goodies. The reason I like the Allure Beauty Box so much this year is they like totally changed how they send it. They changed the packaging for it, as well as they started putting in like more and higher quality products regularly. Before you get like a really awesome product like once a year, and now you get awesome products like almost every month. I think there was only 1 month so far this year. I think it was actually last month where I was kind of like, it's okay, but otherwise every single month has been amazing. So starting out, we have their real Beyond mascara from Benefit. Do you notice we've had like mascara in like every box? Every box we have mascara now. This is going to be going into the stockpile giveaway. This says Beyond mascara. So this is going to be going into the stockpile giveaway. Remember like 2 years ago, this was like the item in every box. For like months. This brand, this specific mascara was everywhere. I was like, dude, like let it go. But now it's coming back. It's making its way back, guys. It's gonna be another couple months of their real mascara. Not that it's not a great mascara, it was just like non-stop for a while there. All right, next we have Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream Hydrate and Glow. So this is a little like Hydrate and Glow water cream. It's funny that like all the samples are really small now, because I was just like talking them up. I was like, oh yeah, this box got all these huge products, and now they're like little small samples. So I'm gonna just see what this smells like, because I think I'm gonna put this into the giveaway. It's got a definite aqua scent to it. I am really set on creams right now. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway so somebody can try it. But it definitely has like an aqua smell to it. It has like a little bit like heavier looking texture. I don't know. So next item that we have is makeup eraser. Mini makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. So is this one of those things I think you use like on your clothes? Antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Great for sensitive skin. Saves money. Oh no, or it's for your face. Oh, this is one of those like face wipe thingies like that you're supposed to wipe off your makeup with. You guys seen these before? I'm actually gonna put this in the stock plug giveaway. I'll be real with you. I've got like a mini one of these ones. I don't actually like use it. Like, I never used it. I don't know. I'm just good old fashioned like use soap and water, but like this is kind of neat though. I feel like somebody might really like this. It's just not like my style. Next item that we have is Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color in the shade Bordeaux. I'm gonna try opening this on the bottom since the top has tape over it. See what this actually looks like from Cargo Cosmetics. I don't know if I've ever tried a lipstick from Cargo before. All right, let's see here. What do we got? Open it slow. Try not to wreck it. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at that. That is like a sexy like wine color. I guess I'm not really surprised. Oh man, I gotta de-thumb myself so I can swatch this on my hand. That's a pretty color. This is like my kind of like lip colors. I always like these dark, like just kind of messy red browns. I don't know. I think they're real sexy. I like it. So I'll try that out and see what I think about it. Next we have Laritzi Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. So in the shade Topaz. What is this? Multi-purpose. All right, we got to look in here real quick to see what this actually is because I don't want to look dumb trying to be like, oh, this is what this product is, and I have no idea what I'm talking about. Glittering Liquid Eye Bronze Shadow. Ooh. Oh, I'm excited about that. Okay. A bronzy eyeshadow thingy. I love stuff like this. So this is honestly, oh snap. I think we got something like this before. Like we've gotten a couple things like this. I don't know if we've gotten one this color though. So you put this on your eyes. Okay, you see that? And it gives you like a glossy finish. I always take this a step further and I like putting like a shimmery, like loose, glittery eyeshadow over it, and then it really like just pops. So that's really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, I'm feeling a little better about this box now. At first I was kind of like, what's going on? I just had this really nice chat about you guys who kind of just let me down a little bit. Next we got Multitask Eye Serum Mask from Erno Laszlo. That's awesome. Erno Laszlo is an amazing skincare brand. I love, love, love them. So I'm definitely gonna be excited to try these out. Their face masks are amazing. So now they're doing like eye masks, I'm excited about that. Next we got Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. With mulberry root and ginseng, native to China. So this is an eye cream. I actually right now have been trying out a new eye cream, which I still have like almost all of. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway, but this actually sounds really, really, really great. And it's clean beauty. So it's vegan and cruelty free, nature inspired. I think that's really awesome. This is, okay, so it's turned out to be a lot better box. At first it's kind of like, okay, Allure, what you doing? And then they were like, we got it, girl. Just chill. We're gonna be fine. So to recap, we got the makeup eraser, like cloth thing to erase your makeup, putting that in the box. The Primera Cream Hydrate and Illuminate, that's going in there too. The They're Real Benefit Mascara, which hopefully is not making as big of a comeback as it did like 2 years ago where it was like in every box and that's the only mascara you ever got to try ever. And then we got the Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream right there, which is going into the giveaway box as well. We got the Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. We got the Laritzi Liquid Beam Liquid Eyeshadow, which is right there. And we got the Cargo Beauty Bordeaux Lipstick, which is right there. Overall, I think this box is good. I definitely think it was worth the $15, especially at the end there. The products got a lot better. So I like it. If you liked it too and you want to try it, make sure you click the button in the description box. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crown because anime and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of box week. And just so you guys know, I have some really exciting new videos over the next couple of days and I hope you like them. Alright, talk to you, love you. Bye! Bye, 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 bye. a water texture. So like when you rub it in, which is weird, it like hydrates, but it doesn't absorb like a face oil normally does. It kind of absorbs like a